In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to relight on CapCut with your mobile phone. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbit family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Growbit, and this channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. If you're an upcoming content creator who has been looking for a way to make your video look very professional, right, by buying lights, all these color lights are some of the things that makes your video look a little bit professional, right, and you don't have money to get those gadgets, right, you don't need to worry anymore because CapCut has made it easy for everyone. You can actually achieve that with your mobile phone, right? So I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen where I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to change your video from this to this, and it's very simple. But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say, thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comments. So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So guys, you're welcome to this side of the screen. Let me quickly show you guys how you can actually relight your video, right? So all you need to do is to open CapCut. Once you open CapCut like this, you can see, let me open this project. This is a video like I actually posted yesterday. This is the final editing. I've done all my editing. Right here, I want to show you guys how to relight. I did not relight this video because by this time yesterday, I haven't really seen the feature, right? So I just deleted my CapCut only for me to install a new CapCut to see that they have added the feature right here. And the first time I saw this feature was on PC, right? And I'm very glad they added it right here. So so from now I think I'll be using it. So let me show you guys how to do that. All you need to do is to make sure that your video is selected. Once your video is selected, then you don't need to come and look for this thing, Relight, right? You can see Relight right here. You can see it right here. Just tap on it. When you tap on Relight, you can see different option: facial, ambient, creative. Understand? You can choose any other thing, anything you like. But me, normally, what I like doing is this. I like to just come and look for a very beautiful one that is okay. Let me try this teal backing light. Right, do you think we should use it? Or you can just use whatever you want, but let me use this tail backing. Understand? So you can see right here, this is what we got right here. After I selected it, you can see they have relighted the other side and the other side, right? But if you feel like this is not really perfect for you, right, and you want to actually do a kind of other jobs, you just need to tap on it. You can see how you can adjust it by tapping inside the one you selected. Once you tap inside, you can be able to see these features, right? This particular one have light 1, light 2, and light 3. So let's check out the light one. The light one, you can see the light one is selected. If you want to increase the intensity, you just need to come right here and increase the intensity, right? Then light 2, right? Light 2, you can also increase the light 2. You can also change the color of the light by coming like this and selecting this to change the color of the light. You can see as I selected that color, it has changed. So I can still come and increase it like this, right? I can increase it, reduce this, just make it look good. On your own, you can just try and balance it up, right? You can highlight it, just make it look very dope and fine, right? So I will reduce this highlight a little bit, and the intensity for this one I will reduce it a little bit so that it will look more okay and more real, right? And you can also go to light 3. Light 3, you can work on light 3, but I think I need to select blue so that it will balance where blue makes sense in this. So I think the blue is not really gluing, so let's try green, a little bit, yeah. So that's it. So if you don't have money for lightning, you can try this out and you see it works very okay, right? It works very okay. You can reduce it like this and you will see that it's now very cool. Let me just play this video so that you see how it is Understand? So
In this video, I'm going to be sharing the reason why you don't need to waste your time building.
are you not enjoying this? This is very, very okay. Let me just look at the lightning right here. Very
Why you don't need to waste your time building professional.
So you don't need to spend money on buying different light anymore. With CapCut you can just do this and your video will look very, very professional and very cool, right? So this is exactly how to relight on CapCut, you know. So after relighting, you just export your video, or you can do other things that you want to do. So guys, this is how to do it, and see you guys in the other side of the screen. Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment, right? And if this is your first time in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we post amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So see you guys in my next video.